Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Today, we will learn about the subject Mathematics Form 3. The topic we need to learn is Chapter 1, Indices. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? Today, we will learn about the subject Mathematics Form 3. The topic we need to learn is Chapter 1, Indices. The learning standard is 1.2 Law of Indices. Next, 1.2.7 Solve problems involving laws of indices. Okay, here the learning standard is 1.2 Law of Indices. Next, 1.2.7 Solve problems involving laws of indices. Okay, here I show you the example. Okay, example 17. Calculate the value of 3 square root times 12, 3 over 2 divided by 6 without using a calculator. First one, understand the problem. Calculate the value of numbers in index form with different bases. Number 2, planning a strategy, convert each base into prime factors and calculate the value by applying laws of indices. Number 3, implementing the strategy. Okay, this one you need to do one by one step. Okay, we see the step 1. Okay, given 3 square root, we need to change 3 1 over 2. Time, the 12 changed to 2 times 2 times 3 is become 12. Power of 3 over 2 divided by number 6 changed to 2 times 3. And then all the number, okay, you need to read the same. Example 3 and the 2. And then you arrange it with the number 3 with indices. Okay, for the example question 1, the question given is 3x times 1 over 6 y power of 4 x times xy power of 3. So the first step, you need to change the xy with the 1 by 1 like this. X power of 3, y power of 3. Okay, next, then you write it in the second solution, 3x times 1 over 6 y power of 4 times x power of 3 y power of 3. And then the solution you need to separate with the numbers and the index. Okay, so you can see here solution number 3. And the last answer will become 1 over 2 x power of 4 and y power of 7. The next slide is how to solve the problem and find the value of x. So you can see example given. Calculate the value of x. The next slide is how to solve the problem and find the value of x. So you can see example given. Calculate the value of x for the equation 3 power of x times 9 power x plus 5 divided by 3 power of 4 equal to 1. This question is the index is. We understand one by one technique. Understanding the problem. Calculation the value of variable x which is part of the indexes. Number 2, planning a strategy. The question is an equation. Hence, the value on the left side of the equation is the same as the value on the right side of the equation. Convert all the terms into index form with base of 3. Number 3, implementing the strategy. Okay. You write down the question. 3 power of x times 9 power of x plus 5 divided by 3 power of 4 equal to 1. So, second solution, you need to change the number 9 to become base of 3. Okay, and also the 1 base to 3 power of 0. And next, the answer will be 3 power of x times 3 power of 2 in bracket x plus 5 divided by 3 power of 4 equal 3 power of 0. Okay, next here you can see the solution number 3 and number 4. 3 number 4, you just addition and subtraction the index. Okay, so you can see the solution of number 4, 3 power of x plus 2x plus 10 minus 4. You need to arrange it with the x and the numbers. So you get the answer 3 power of 3x plus 6 equal to 3 power of 4, power of 0. Then you write down the index at the right side. So 3x plus 6 equals 0. 3x equals negative 6. Become negative 6 divided by 3. So the last answer is x equal to negative. Next, we see the example question 2. Okay, the question is 3 power of negative 4 times 81 equal to 3 power of x. So the first step is, you see 81 there. Okay, 81 you need to change the base with the 3. How come it can be changed? So you see the red color. So 81 equal to 9 power of 2. Number 9 is not number base of 3. So you need to change the second changes. Okay, you see the solution number 3. Okay, it become 3 power of 2 times 2. Okay, you need to write like that. So the answer will be 3 power of negative 4 times 3 power of 2 times 2 equals 3 power of x. So you just write down the index. So negative 4 plus 4 equal to x. So the answer of x is become 0. Next, we see the example question 2. Okay, the question is 3 power of negative 4 times 81 equal to 3 power of x. So the first step is, you see 81 there. Okay, 81 you need to change the base with the 3. How come it can be changed? So you see the red color. So 81 equal to 9 power of 2. Number 9 is not number base of 3. So you need to change the second changes. Okay, you see the solution number 3. Okay, it become 3 power of 2 times 2. Okay, you need to write like that. So the answer will be 3 power of negative 4 times 3 power of 2 times 2 equal 3 power of x. So you just write down the index. So negative 4 plus 4 equal to x. So the answer of x is become 0. We go through for the next slide. This slide shows about how to solve the problem and find the value of x in left and the right. So it means that left and the right is have the equation. Okay. You see the example. Calculate. We go through for the next slide. This slide shows about how to solve the problem and find the value of x in left and the right. So it means that left and the right is have the equation. Okay. You see the example. Calculate the possible value of x for the equation is 3 power x power of 2 times 3 2x equal 3 power of 15. Okay, number 1, understanding the problem. Calculate the value of x, which is part of the indices. Number 2, planning a strategy. All the bases involved in the equation are the same. And number 3, implementing the strategy. Okay, this one we need to see one by one. Okay, write down the question first. 3x power of 2 times 3 power 2x equal to 3 power of 15. So this one is so easy question because the base is also all 3. Okay, so these two, when you see the time, so you just plus the index. So means that you do like the solution number 2, 3 power of x power of 2 plus 2x equal be 3 power of 15. Okay, you just write the index. So x power of 2 plus 2x equal 15. X power of 2 plus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. So this one, you need to solve the quadratic equation using factorization method. Okay. I hope you already remember the factorization method. Okay. So the step is answer will be x minus 3 x plus 5 equal to 0. So you see it has two equations, right? So you can write down the answer is the left and the answer is the right. Okay. The first equation is x minus 3 equal to 0. Become to 0 plus 3, x equal to 3. And how about the right? X plus 5 equal to 0. X minus to 0 minus 5. Okay, next we do the example question. The question is 3 power of 6 divided by 3 power of x equal to 81 power of x minus 1. Okay. As usual, 81 you need to change 9 power of 2 and 9 power of 2 to become 3 power of 2. Then you need to write like a solution 3. Okay. Solution 3, you see the bracket already time with the with the 2 in bracket x minus 1. So the real answer is 3 power of 6 minus x equal to 3 power of 2 in bracket 2x minus 2. So you need to write the index only. 6 minus x equal 2 in bracket 2x minus 2. And then write down, you expand it. 6 minus x equal 4x minus 4. And then you arrange it. So you get the answer 5x equal to 10. X equal to 10 divided by 5. So the x equal to 2. Okay, next we do the example question. Okay, next slide is how to solve the simultaneous equation question. It means you remember the simultaneous equation. Okay, it have two methods. Okay, the method one is substitution method and the other one is elimination method. So you already know and learning at the form 2. Okay, maths form 2. So we go together how to solve this problem. Okay, the question is 25 power. Okay, next slide is how to solve the simultaneous equation question. It means you remember the simultaneous equation. Okay, it have two methods. Okay, the method one is substitution method and the other one is elimination method. So you already know and learning at the form 2. Okay, maths form 2. So we go together how to solve this problem. Okay, the question is 25 power of m times 5 power of n equal to 5 power of n 2 power of m times 1 over 2 power of n equal to 2. So you need to take one by one solution. Okay, you see there. Remember, you need to change the solution to become easier. Okay, easier linear. Okay, so you see number one linear, 2m plus n equal to 8. Okay, okay, after you change, you arrange it, okay, you get the last answer 2m plus n equal to 8. And the second one is become m minus n equal to 1. Okay, remember, you just take the indexes, not the base indexes. Okay, so the equation 1 and 2 can be solved by substitution method from 1. Okay, you take the linear one. Okay, 2m plus n equal to 8. So you take the single is n equal l, 8 minus 2m. Okay, so you get the linear number 3. Okay, substitute 3 into 2. So because you use the substitution method, you just put in. Okay, so m minus n equal to 1. Okay, the n will be changed to minus 2m. Okay, from the linear 3. So you need to write m minus in bracket 8 minus 2m in close bracket equal to 1. And then you expand it, m minus 8 plus 2m equal 1, m plus 2m equal 1 plus 8. Okay, you change the 8 to become plus. Okay, move at the right side. Okay, the answer will be 3m equal to 9. Okay, this is the last slide, okay, before our finish. This question is soft problem question. Okay, you see the picture, you see. Okay, this is the last slide, okay, before our finish. This question is soft problem question. Okay, you see the picture, you see the problem given here, and we will explore it. Okay. The question is, Chong and Nevin performed an experiment to determine the relationship between variable x and variable y. The equation Chong obtained was 16 in bracket 4 power of x equal to 16 power of y, while the equation Nevin got was 3 in bracket 9 power of x equal 27 power of y. Calculate the values of x and y which satisfy the experiment Chong and Nevin have performed. Okay, you see the solution. Given with two linears, right? Okay, so you need to one by one do the solution. Okay, we do the first one, linear. Okay, first one linear is 16 in bracket 4 power of x equals 16 power of y. So power of 2 is become changes with the 16 with the base of 4. So you get the answer is 4 power of 2 plus x. Okay, equal 4 power of 2y. Okay, and then you just write down the index 2 plus equal 2y. So that is the linear one. Next, we do the solution of the linear 2. Okay, given that 3 in bracket 9 power of x equal to 27 power of y, then need to same base with the 3. So 3 in bracket 3 power of 2 equal 3 power of 3 times y. Okay, so the solution is 3 power of 1 plus 2x equal to 3 power of 3y. Okay, so you just write down the index 1 plus 2x equal to 3y. So you already get the two linears. So, and then we use the second method. Okay, second method is elimination. Okay, equation 1 and 2 can be solved by elimination method. Okay, so that we need to do same with the elimination with the 2x. Okay, because the first one is single x and the second one is 2x. So you need to time the linear 1 to 2, and the answer will be 4 plus 2x equal 4y, and the second linear is 1 plus 2x equal to 2y. And then here you can see 2x and 2x, and the solved problem is minus because you want to be 2x to become 0. Okay. So the solution, the next solution is 3 plus 0 equal to y equal to 3. And then when you get the answer of y, you substitute the y into equation 1. So you write down the 1 is 2 plus x equal 2y, 2 plus x equal Okay, do you understand all the learning today? If you say yes, we do the exercise in your module, page 9 until 10. Okay? Okay, do you understand all the learning today? If